Hello and welcome back. Today I'm making quick, easy and simple yet fresh and tasty bruschetta which comes together in no time. With crunchy bread, delicious topping, this one is always a crowd pleaser. So let's begin with this recipe.
For our bruschetta, we'll start with some fresh basil leaves. I'm also using avocado and pine nuts for their creamy, nutty flavor. For the tomatoes, I like to mix it up. Grape tomatoes for garnishing and regular tomatoes for the guacamole. We'll also need some finely chopped onions, a few garlic cloves, fresh lemon for that zing, and of course feta cheese to finish it off. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, the flavors are just amazing. For the guacamole, I'm using a fresh, perfectly ripe avocado. Just mash it really well and then add a squeeze of lemon. Next, go in some diced onions and tomatoes. A little salt and pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. Give everything a nice mix. If you enjoy that raw garlic flavor, you can add a little garlic as well. Totally optional. And that's it. Our fresh homemade guacamole is ready. Now we are going to make the pesto, which adds such a nice rich flavor to our bruschetta. In a mixer jar, add some fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic cloves and a little lemon juice. Grind everything really well until it comes together nicely. We'll add the rest of the ingredients a little later. Now add a little salt and pepper along with some olive oil and grind it again until everything is nicely combined. Now transfer it into a serving bowl. You can drizzle a little olive oil on top if you like. That's totally optional. Garnish it however you like and your pesto is ready to serve. Next, we'll prepare the bread. I have lightly greased the bread slices. I'm using sourdough, but you can use regular bread if you prefer. I'm going to toast mine in the air fryer, but you can also use an oven or a toaster, whatever is easier for you. In just a few minutes, our bread is perfectly toasted. I'm rubbing a raw garlic clove over it for that extra flavor. It makes such a difference. Now spread a generous layer of pesto. Followed by some guacamole. Add crumbled feta cheese and I have halved some grape tomatoes which I'm placing on top. Finish with a little salt and pepper, a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of freshly basil leaves. Again, totally optional. And that's it. I honestly can't wait to take a bite. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sapna's Kitchen Diaries. It really helps me bring more delicious recipes to you. I would love to hear from you in the comments too. Let me know your favorite recipe or something new you would like me to try. And remember, cooking is all about having fun, So don't be afraid to get creative in your kitchen. See you in the next episode.